Okay, we're here on River Street, just in from Shrewsbury Avenue. It's 8:15 on Tuesday morning. We were here yesterday, walking up Shrewsbury Avenue, and there was a car ditched right at the intersection back here at Shrewsbury and River. But we could see some activity down here involving snowplow, so we thought that this street would be among the few that we could count on being absolutely clear this morning. But not so. In fact, we find a DPW truck here, the leaf collection truck, sitting, stuck in the snow apparently, engine running, and no one in sight, no driver, no DPW workers. Cab appears to be empty unless somebody's up there sleeping. Let's take a look. Nope. No one in the truck. But it seems to have been there for quite a while.